Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the scroll settings for the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So to do this, first you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app. You can download it from their website or also use the Google search for it or any other search engine. After you install it, you should see the mouse, so let's click on it. Right here, go to Customize Mode, scroll down, and you'll be able to see the wheel settings. So you can use the scroll acceleration. That way it will increase the scroll speed the faster you scroll. That might be handy, but for gaming I would disable that. Scrolling mode, go for the precision with tactical cycling or speed with free spin scrolling. So if you use a tactical, your scroll will be kinda hard to scroll. It's not like it's difficult, it's just a bit harder to scroll. If you use a free spin, your scroll will be just totally free and spin on its own when you speed it enough. And in the gaming, I would use tactical. There's also a smart wheel, automatically activates free spin scrolling mode as you quickly flick the scroll wheel and return to the tactical cycling when the scroll wheel when there's no screen movement. And I wouldn't use that as well for the gaming, as this could make your game a bit difficult. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.